We do not allow metadata containing information unrelated to the design, such as suggested use. And here it goes. All right, guys, so in this video, we're gonna talk about the word gift. Everyone's been tripping out about this. I've been tripping out about this. I'm kind of thinking about it like, dude, what the heck does that mean? So basically what they did was did an update on the back end of the Merch by Amazon resources and the guidelines and stuff like that, and they talked about you cannot include the word gift. And if you guys get any value out of this video, please give this video a thumbs up because I want everyone to see this. Some people are probably not even paying attention in the Facebook groups or just not even concerned about it because, you know, some people don't like to be on social media, and I understand that, but this is important that we get this out to everyone because if you have the word gift in your title, bullet points, or description, they might be coming up with an update pretty soon on the dashboard to let us know that we cannot include it in our listings no more. Oh no! Now, for the past 3 years, I've been creating a lot of content on Merch by Amazon, and I have over 90K in listings on my merch account right now, and products, okay, 90K in products up. And that's crazy because I've been teaching this and showing people how to do listings and stuff like this for the last 3 years, right? And the word gift was like always something that I would put in to my titles, into the bullet points, and into the descriptions and stuff like that. Because if you guys know SEO and research, it's one of my favorite things to do, right? I've always freaking done that. Always done that, right? And now when this comes out and I'm seeing it, I'm just like, oh no, like, what do I do, right? And I'm just like, you gotta be kidding me. So I'm looking at it, I'm just like, okay, just kind of take a step back. I have a big catalog on Merch by Amazon, right? I have tons of designs and stuff like that up. Does it make sense for me to go back and edit the word gift in all my listings, right? And we all do want to play by the Merch by Amazon rules, right? We know that. We want to literally play by the rules because this is a long-term play, right? I don't want my account to get suspended over there on Merch by Amazon. That'll freaking suck. So if I have to go in and edit all the listings and do that, I will, but I'm waiting for an update for them to let us know, like, okay, cool, this is a new rule. Maybe they'll forgive us on the past listings and say that you cannot upload on the newer listings. I don't know. Hoping they'll say that, and hopefully they'll update us and let us know, because this is gonna be crazy. And also too, I've been seeing a few like threads and stuff like that, people talking about the algorithm, people saying that if you use the word gift in your title, that the Amazon algorithm will throttle you. And I don't think that's true, because I do have a good amount of bestsellers on my account and they have the word gift in it, and I have never seen any type of throttle on those listings, right? Like today, like I have a few designs that are selling more than, 10 times a day, and they have the word gift in them, right? So I'm not seeing that. I'm not sure who said that. I know there was like a little thread being tossed around talking about that. I don't want to say it's a lie. Maybe it's true, but I'm not seeing it on my account. And I've researched and I've seen a few other top selling bestsellers in certain niches, right? From like jewelry to shoes, and they have the word gift in it, right? And I think it's just if you're a big SEO guy like me personally myself, you know that the word gift is used a lot when people are searching on the search bar to find a gift for someone, right? So now, what should you do if you have the word gift in it, like right now? What should you do? Me personally, I don't want to go back and edit all those listings, but like I said, if I have to, I will. I honestly feel that we should wait. Me personally, I'm gonna wait. I don't wanna say you on the other side that's watching this video, I don't wanna say you should wait, but I'm gonna wait until they update us on the dashboard. Maybe they're aware of this already, and hopefully they are. And I wanna see what they say about this, because over I think it was last weekend, a week ago of this video being made on the weekend, they updated it recently on there, right? And they didn't let us know. So I think, and hopefully they update us and let us know, okay, this is no longer, you know what I mean? This word gift is no longer allowed in the listing. That would be cool. And maybe they'll say the previous listings that you have uploaded are fine. Just don't, you know what I mean? Use it no more. Hopefully, right? That's what I'm hoping for. But it's kind of hard to say. So I'm just gonna wait it out a little bit as I see my designs that are popping up that have the word gift in it. Hey, I might just delete it. I'm not sure. I don't know yet, honestly. So yeah, let's get into the computer let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna have the link down below in the description. You guys can actually see the link yourself directly on the back end of Merch by Amazon. You guys can check it out yourself, but let's go into the computer and check it out. All right, so this is directly what it says in the back end of Merch by Amazon. Metadata issues. Make sure your listing metadata doesn't result in inaccurate search results or impair customer ability to make good buying decisions. We do not allow metadata containing information unrelated to the design, such as suggested use. And here it goes. Gift. Perfect for birthday. Now, this is also too, this is what I'm thinking too. This is, hopefully they mean it by, like, you know what I mean? This gift is perfect for birthday, comma, you know, comma dad, comma sister, comma cousin, comma stepsister. You know what I mean? Hopefully that's what they kind of mean, but I'm not too sure. And they kind of just left it in the middle, right? Promotional phrases, free shipping, bestseller, and unrelated metadata. 100% quality guarantee, new product. Please ensure the title, feature bullet points, or description match the design. Oh my God. So I don't know what they mean. I kind of know what they mean, and just playing by the rules, you know what I mean? You just want to make sure that you're not breaking any rules because you don't want to get in trouble, right? The metadata is basically just what you're describing, like you're showing the product as you're showing the product, right? How you're describing the actual data that's in the listing and what you're showing the results for, right on the product page, the product listing, right? So your keywords that you're entering into there. So it's just, dude, like, it's crazy, all right? This is crazy. That's just freaking crazy. But I hope that's what they mean too as well. Like that can be another option, just to throw it out there. It's, you know how when you write gift, this gift is perfect for brother, cousin, sister, But as the, because I mean, as the algorithm starts to get smarter and smarter, it knows that you're kind of like keyword stuffing and putting stuff in there. So hopefully that's what they mean. But I'm not too sure. Hopefully they kind of clear this up a little bit better for us. That way we can make the platform better for everyone, and us providing the content help the people that are making sales or trying to make sales on the platform, because us as content creators, or as me as a content creator in general, I do this because I enjoy helping people, help tons of people, thousands of people, and I do not want to break the rules and show people the wrong way. I want to show them the right way. So yeah, this is why I make content, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and watch my other video up here. Peace out.